Why is crypto up today? July 28, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. Options markets now imply a 52% chance of BTC hitting $150,000 by year-end, says Nick Forster, founder at Derive.xyz. The probability of ETH hitting $6,000 by December 25th has more than quadrupled, he adds. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 28, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market is up today, with most of the top 100 coins per market turning green. The cryptocurrency market capitalization has dropped by 2.7% over the past 24 hours, but it still holds above $4 trillion, now standing at $4.03 trillion. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $148 billion, lower than the $220 billion level we've been seeing lately. TLDR. Crypto market cap holds above $4 trillion. The majority of the top 100 coins and all top 10 coins are green today. BTC trades at $118,976 and ETH at $3,886. BNB hits new ADH of $852. BTC could hit $132,000 soon and $150,000 by year-end. The probability of ETH hitting $6,000 by December 25th has more than quadrupled. US ETH spot ETFs hit the 16th inflow day in a row. US BTC spot ETFs record positive flows of $130.69 million. Expect a smoother climb for BTC and a wilder ride for ETH. Market sentiment is set firmly on the lower edge of the greed zone. Crypto winners and losers. By the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have appreciated over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, increased by 0.6% in a day, now trading at $118,976. This is the second smallest increase today. At the same time, Ethereum, ETH, is up by 2.8% and is now trading at $3,886. Tron, TRX, increased the least, 0.2% to the price of $0.3224. On the other hand, Binance Coin, BNB, appreciated the most in this category. It's up 6.6%, currently changing hands at $848. The coin surged to its new all-time high of $852 today. In the top 100 coins category, 3 coins recorded double-digit increases. SPX 6900, SPX, is the highest among these. It's up 12.1% to $2.22. It's followed by Optimism, OP, and Athena, ENA, with 11.2% and 10.7% to $0.8133 and $0.6811, respectively. Fewer than 10 coins in this category are down. The highest drop among these is 5.9% by Curve DAO CRV, now trading at $1.02. Others are down 2.3% and less per coin. Overall, the market keeps reacting to positive signals, including higher adoption, while defying negative factors, including macroeconomic pressures. Though not everyone agrees, Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan argues that Bitcoin could break from its historical 4-year cycle and post significant gains in 2026. I broadly think we're in for a good few years, he said. 52% chance of BTC hitting $150,000 by year-end. John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of Ledn, commented on BTC's recent performance, looking at the short-term wave count. As all waves in the direction of the trend can be broken down into wave-subwaves, we look at the blue line in the chart below and can clearly see that we are in the process of completing wave 4 of wave 3. He says, adding that once completed, wave 3 could complete by rallying to some $132,000. He continues, a corrective wave 4 will likely follow as we see early profit takers come into play, and we will sell off to somewhere in the region of $120,000 before the rally into year-end to $136,000 to $142,000 to complete wave 5. Meanwhile, Nick Forster, founder at on-chain options platform Derive.xyz, argued that Mike Novogratz' $150,000 prediction isn't some moonshot anymore. Options markets now imply a 52% chance of BTC hitting $150,000 by year-end. What's even more interesting is the volatility differential. BTC's implied December volatility is just 30%, while ETH's is 60%. So expect a smoother climb for BTC and a wilder ride for ETH. Furthermore, ETH's upside bets are exploding, Forster says. The probability of ETH hitting $6,000 by December 25th has more than quadrupled, from just under 7% at the start of July to over 30%. That's a massive repricing of tail risk, he concluded. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $118,976. Its lowest point today was $117,914, hitting a daily high of $119,754 soon after. It has pulled back somewhat since. Overall, it's unchanged in a week and is up 10.7% in a month. As July nears its end, the coin shows strength and resilience. Investors are waiting to see if BTC will retake its ADH level, which would indicate another move higher. Also, Bitcoin may see some increased volatility in the short term, following a $9.7 billion exit by a Satoshi era whale. Moreover, Ethereum is currently trading at $3,886, rising significantly over the weekend, from $3,621 seen on Friday. It started the day at $3,762, surging over the 24 hours to the current level. Its highest point today is $3,936. There is little doubt in many analysts' minds that ETH will reach the much-anticipated $4,000 very soon. As seen in the chart below, it's been working towards it for the entire July. It's up 2.7% in a week and 60.3% in a month, outperforming BTC. That said, per historical data, an August rally could potentially push the price of ETH as high as $6,000, per certain analyses. Furthermore, the crypto market sentiment has stayed mostly unchanged over the past few days. The crypto fear and greed index has remained in the greed territory for nearly 3 weeks now. Currently, it stands at 67 today, compared to 64 yesterday, signaling ongoing positivity among investors, with a healthy dose of caution. Meanwhile, the US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw inflows on the previous day of trading. They recorded $130.69 million on July 25th. The cumulative net inflow now stands at $54.82 billion. On Friday, 6 funds saw positive flows, and 1 saw outflows. BlackRock is back on top, taking in $92.83 million, followed by ARK and 21 shares $30.27 million. At the same time, Grayscale lost $50.5 million. At the same time, with Friday's inflow of $452.72 million, the US ETH ETFs recorded 16 consecutive days of positive flows, still moving towards hitting a new record. The surge in price is fueling institutional interest. The cumulative net inflow is now $9.33 billion. 4 funds recorded positive flows, with BlackRock leading the list with $440.1 million. On the other hand, $23.49 million flowed out of Grayscale. Additionally, Bitwise Hogan argues that ETH ETF demand could reach $20 billion within the next year. This would be equivalent to 5.33 million ETH at current prices. Metaplanet, the Tokyo-listed firm aggressively accumulating Bitcoin, added another 780 BTC to its treasury, bringing the total to 17,132 BTC since December 2024. Furthermore, SharpLink Gaming bought 77,210 ETH over the weekend for $295 million, now holding 438,017 ETH in total. In South Korea,